and explain to you how to crash the Philidor defense. Let's get started. Alors, E4, E5, Knight 3, D6. Everybody knows this opening is a Philidor defense. Okay, so Bishop C4. Here is a Philidor defense in Italian game. So me, I take white pieces and my opponents hold black pieces. Okay, so here me I do Italian, and he do Philidor. Okay, so H6. He does one, so knight jump here, and I take this one 2 times. Because his time idea is push a pawn, bishop control this square, knight can move, and I take this pawn. Of course. So stop it. Knight C3. Keep developing the pieces, and I think he will put the bishop here. Because when he put the bishop here, G4, we have a trap here. So I will push a pawn, further, should move back and sacrifice the queen. But why we sacrifice the queen here? Because bishop takes queen, bishop takes, king refuses, and I divide the checkmate. Okay? It's an interesting tab, okay? So interesting. So I will clear move. Okay, so he preferred to knight f6. So we push a pawn to knight can jump everywhere. Protect this pawn, of course, with the bishop. Okay, and in this pawn also, bishop e7. Because he just want to unpin this knight, but have nothing to pin this knight. Me, I think he push his pawn, and push his bishop forward, like this. But he go bishop to e7. So immediately I see Monte Castle. Me, I think the castle is good for me, so I mean castle. C6. Prepare to attack the center. Because we have 1, 2, 3 control. We have 1, 2, but 1 and 3 here. His support for this pawn push up. So it's okay. I think push this pawn is a good move because when he exchanges, he cannot boom this pawn because boom. Because right now, the pawn can move here because one takes my bishop, takes back, takes the bishop. To attack by this knight is okay because I can do what? Move my knight here and look my knight jump where? Jump here, and then I decide to jump here, check. So when he takes queen, is a good thing for me. But why? Because when he castle, I can easily attack the king by what? Of course, rook move to d6. Because when knights move anyway, when the bishop move, oh no, wait. When he castle, when he just sees this knight, he does attacks. He say, "Oh, it's a poison knight." So he don't want castle. And me, I need to retreat the knight, but with what? Not retreat the knight. Takes this pawn. Sacrifice the knight because when pawn takes, I have brutal things. Bishop move here, put this pawn, bishop takes pawn, bishop takes back, rook takes back, and me, I have a good position here because the bishop is not developed. He wants to do a cheeky move, rook here, ready to checkmate, so it's okay. because I will move this pawn and look the king. The king is structured. The king is all broken right now because the king has all the hole. King move here, for example. So I will move the rook back and then move this rook. For example, and move this bishop, this knight, here, go here. Go here to defend it. Go here. So right now, two of rook do badly. So he want to approach this pawn, but it's a little bit too late because I can do one tactic. Rook to d6. When he check my move here, the king is okay. So when he want to take all my pawn is okay. So take this pawn, takes my pawn. It's okay because look here, the knight needs to move back and move where? This is have a look at the knight. This at the knight. This is not so good. It's also good for this for the knight. This 1, 2. This 1, 2. This one is a little bit good. And the square or the square or the square of the knight is not good. So everybody sees that sound. It's my mom learn with that. If everybody have one iPad Pro, don't forget to come here and learn quiz with my mom, of course. So here's a good position for me because next move he attacks the rook. It's not a good move. It's a crash. Because I can simply move my rook here. I know. Here is a crash move because move here, and when knights move back, it's a crash move because I will move my rook here, attack this pawn, no defending, take the pawn, so I can take easily by the knight, and when rook takes pawn is a crashing move because I can simply move my rook right now. So when knights move, I can support with rook move back, and it's a royal move. See, he's a good position for me. Oh. But I move bishop d3 for not the pawn pushed forward to attack this bishop, of course. d5 was a mistake. I didn't exchange. Yes, exchange takes back, but by knight. Because the blue move is knight to d7. But pawn here, so it was a mistake. So immediately I exchange the pieces and I grab this e5 pawn. Castle, queen to f3 because idea is queen here. Bishop takes pawn. Bishop e6, queen g3, bishop 5, f4. Bishop h4, king move to f3. Here he's a long diagonal, but that's so scary. But the knight can jump to the diagonal, so it's okay. Just don't worry because this bishop can stop. Knight c6. So what takes to send to knight and 9. Knight takes 9 is one exactly because I don't know, but here. Queen to g3 is inequality. Bishop e6 is inequality. d5 was a mistake. Everybody sees that. Because I just don't want to knight. I just don't want to push this pawn because this pawn will be hanging. So I want to give this pawn. So, that's back, pawn move to f5. The bishop is a good square to he move back. She move, c6, c8, queen to g4, to press to take the bishop. He block it, But queen 2 and 3, because I said, oh, queen is not, so we have nothing to do in here. So queen move to f6, f4, try to boost to he not need his bishop and grab this pawn. b8, d4, bishop a6, rook f2. So directly, because I think it's not a good move, but it's okay. Bishop h4, g3, bishop g5, bishop takes. Queen takes is what I negative, but why? Because queen takes is what I negative, but why? Because it does allow me to push this pawn further. I think the queen, or of course with this bishop attack more this pawn, or you can activate my rook to open file. We can of course push this pawn further forward, move my bishop back or push the pawn to attack. So I have a lot of possibility here. Okay, I choose rook to e1, rook to b8. He wants to attack my rook in the open bar. Since I think take rook is a good move, so I take rook immediately. So yeah, it's a good move. I have an open file, but bishop a4. Bishop c8 is in blunder because I have to attack this pawn to defend it. So what when I attack this pawn? Rook to e3 was inaccurate, of course. So queen takes pawn. Rook move here. Do you see? Queen and bishop is so very far away to the king. Queen has moved back. He needs to move back here. And bishop is still a little bit far away. He needs to move here, move here, move here. I know, I'll move here. Need to move here to defend this king because it's so long. G2, queen a3, queen d8 check, queen to f7, queen takes c8. Because if it checks its pawn, but that is my chance because I can take this bishop, so it's a good possibility for me. Bishop e6, queen e5, 6, queen to e3, queen move, shall move, rook. But here is not a good move because here she is not a pretty move. Please don't move here. We can expect because the queen, of course. Most the queen here is not a good possibility. Simply. Middle here. Here the chicken will check. Check. So here check. King move here. King takes pawn. I have nothing to move. That's a chance. But stuff is do not a good move. Queen to c1 is what's a blunder because he wants to take this pawn, then this pawn, and then this pawn, and then move back, and then take this pawn. No matter. Queen to d7, g1 check, a3, queen to e3, rook a3. Queen to e2, rook f8, f4 is winning negative. I don't know because for stop here. Of course, because of the light. So queen to h5 check, rook h4, queen g7, queen takes. Everybody sees that nice? Is there my poop. Everybody see that nice? My French is grandma pity. Everybody know that. And my Vietnamese is grandma boom. Everybody know. Of course. I think grandma pulled right now. Grandma needs to pull back. I don't see everybody do that sound in the video. Huh? Looks like one is was in the academics, two pieces, minor pieces, two the big pieces I took spawn before because when I listen, my mom is not a good move. Simply text my queen, check, exchange the queen, and then right now can stop to my pawn, can attack easily. So I didn't want that. And then move bishop to e4. So Grandma is kidding right now. Grandma is so kidding right now. Everybody sees that here before the bishop before. Rook e1, this was a mistake. Oh, bishop d3 because bishop a. And d2, 8, d4, 9, jack queen, move, white space, beautiful, was pretty, yeah. Well, here's checkmate match, and we will choose this. d3, rook e3, bishop to c4, and have nothing at battery here. So this will move this queen back to d6. The key is square, but it's always checkmate. Rook should move here, and you can also move it back. It's too late. It's too late. I think takes is no, not because this queen is gone. Oh, okay. So takes back rook, shows check. Yeah, 1 plus 15 p. 7 is a 1. Yes, but when the 8 is a good move. Rook to e7 and queen g8. This is a checkmate. Everybody sees a beautiful checkmate. Oh. Okay, so if everybody likes this video, don't forget to like, share, or don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my video, and don't forget to click the bell for us to move a little bit for do another video for you. Okay, bye bye.